We are looking at the Elgato Stream Deck Plus, and we'll be setting up the Elgato Key Light. But by default, the control is not in the keys or the dials. You'll need to go to the marketplace first. Once you're here, you'll be looking for a control center. You're going to click on Control Center. Now I already have installed, and you'll need to be signed in. But you click on Open in Stream Deck. You can either use keys or dials. We'll just do dial for now. And we're going to adjust the brightness. I'm going to drag it over here to the dial. Right now it's at 50%, but we can increase the brightness to 100. We're all the way down to 3%. Then we have other settings. We can set the brightness. Set it at 100. Set the other brightness at about 50. So whenever needed very bright, halfway, or you can just turn it off.